In the world of smartphones, this is still a king of gaming phones under 20,000 for 2023. We're going to talk about the POCO X4 GT, an amazing gaming phone that offers incredible performance at an unbeatable price. We'll dive into its specs, features, and why it's the best gaming phone for its price. Let's begin. The POCO X4 GT has a sleek design with a weight of 200 grams. It is available in three colors, black, blue, and silver. The phone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and face unlock for added security. The phone comes with 6.6-inch IPS LCD display with 144Hz refresh rate, HDR10, Dolby Vision, and a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixel. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8100 chipset. The phone also features a Mali G610 GPU, ensuring smooth gaming performance. In terms of memory, it offers two storage options, 128GB with 8GB RAM and 256GB with 8GB RAM. The device runs on Android 12 with MIUI 13. The POCO X4 GT is equipped with a high-resolution 64-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. The front camera boasts a 16-megapixel sensor for clear and detailed selfies. The phone comes with a 5080 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting performance. It also supports 67 watts turbocharging, allowing you to quickly charge your device and get back to gaming. The 144Hz refresh rate and 270Hz touch sampling rate of the POCO X4 GT's display make it perfect for fast-paced gaming. The dynamic switch technology automatically adjusts the refresh rate based on the content you're viewing, providing a smooth and seamless experience. The POCO F5 and POCO X4 GT both have impressive cooling systems, but there are some differences between the two. The POCO F5 features a vapor chamber cooling solution called Liquid Cool Technology 2.0, which includes advanced vapor chambers and 14 layers of graphite for better heat dissipation. On the other hand, the POCO X4 GT also uses Liquid Cool Technology 2.0, but it has 32% larger cooling area and includes 7 layers of graphite. Both phones have efficient cooling systems, but the POCO X4 GT seems to have a slightly more advanced cooling system due to its larger cooling area. It really doesn't heat up even when set to maximum graphics in Genshin Impact. The POCO F5 goes beyond 20K when discussing the retail price. Meanwhile, the X4 GT is available at a price of $18,990 for the base model. If you are looking for the best selfie camera phone, please click this video.